Hi everyone, today I want to show you this really easy and delicious 3-ingredient homemade bread. It's great with soups, good with avocado toast or just butter. I'm using organic sprouted spelt flour mixed with all-purpose flour, but you can experiment and use whole wheat flour, you can add seeds, and you will also need yeast and salt. Start by using 1 tablespoon of yeast mixed with warm water. Add a teaspoon and a half of salt, mix it all together and set it on the side. Meanwhile, start preparing the flour. I'm sifting 6.5 cups of flour, and the combination of flour is totally optional. I'm using 2 cups of spelt and the rest is white flour. Add the yeast mixture followed with 6 cups of water and just mix it all in. I love using the spelt flour because it gives it a very nice taste and it also adds nutritional value to the bread. And then just cover it with saran wrap and a towel and set it on the side for like 3-4 hours, and that's how it's gonna look after it's done. It pretty much triples its size. And just remove it from the container. I'm gently mixing it just so I can remove any like extra air or bubbles. And then you don't need to shape it or do anything, just pour it into a pan covered with parchment paper. I'm adding a little bit of oregano, but you can add any herbs that you would like. You can even add everything but the bagel seasoning. And heat up your oven to 410 degrees Fahrenheit and put it for 20 minutes. And that's all you have to wash afterwards. Isn't that great? And after 20 minutes, take it out of the oven and brush it with olive oil. And put it back in the oven for another 20 minutes. And here it is. It turned out so good, so delicious. I love making this because I know what I put inside my bread. And it's way healthier than the store-bought one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!